Hey fellas, quick short ride with Ashish. Good morning, Milo. Milo doesn't care. The sun is up, and so are we. Headed. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Pelicans. Man, look at the. That was something else. So that's as far as the road takes us. The rest is deadly sand, and let's give sand riding a try. No. The whole point is whether this thing can do it with a million. And if you are consistent with your throttle, yes, this thing can do it with a billion. Whoa, fishtail. Go, keep the momentum on. Keep the momentum on, Dan. Keep the momentum on. Woo-hoo. Okay, let me go. Yeah, thing can't do it. With a pillion. Nope. Not possible with a pillion. The whole idea with sand riding is to give weight to the rear. More traction. And this is what meets the eye. Now, isn't that fun? Crazy, ain't it? Wow. What a beautiful piece of driftwood. Ah. You could use this in all sorts of aquascaping. This thing will last a lifetime. Anyways, yep, all the filth that you find on Indian beaches, truckloads of them. If you guys can see there, here, you'll find truckloads of shit just about the entire length of the shore. Can't blame anyone here. There's so much of disparity in every single aspect of life that blaming someone is just blaming yourself in the end. What would I do without her? Enjoys this as much as I do. So that's the whole of it. Just a quick detour, and you come to spots like these. Okay, back on the roads now. Put weight on the rear and cruise. Cruise, man, cruise. Slide and cruise. Whoa, where are you taking me to? Take me to traction. Advantage of riding a Hemi. Fun, isn't it? To see this bike just munch. If you guys watch, I'm not using the clutch at all. Not one bit. Oh, sorry. Don't think the Himi can climb that. Of course it can, but I don't want to risk the engine casing. She has a working day today. Her job starts at 10 and she is here with me riding. I was just telling them if I could have asked for a better partner. No way, right?
No way.
Thanks for confirming. Anything with the Himalayan. Whoa. Oh, look at all those shrubs. So for all the fellas who think that you can't do pillion on the Himalayan, I am with a pillion and I'm kind of doing the off-road thingy with the pillion, and this thing can easily, very easily take it without any complaints. Whoa! And second gear, baby, second gear. With the pillion. Lovely to find empty pieces of land. It's because, I mean, when you are from the cities, you are not used to seeing things like this. There's no perspective like this. There's buildings after buildings after buildings, concrete jungle, that's what they call it. And to be able to have a perspective like this, to be able to see that far, means a lot to me. I don't know how it is for you guys, but to me this matters the most. I'm always amazed by the vastness of space. I mean, this is just a little too nostalgic for me. I grew up in places like these where we would run and play in the afternoons and the hot blazing sun would, just fry us. And to come to places like this is all those fond memories, bombarding you one after the other. Any which ways, so much of talking. Let's see if this can be done, or should I go down with the Himi and with the Ashi? Himi and the Ashi, not a good combo, is it? Oh wow, the last time it was me alone, and this time it's with Ashi. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh. Okay, so entering Mahabalipuram, the one place that everyone seems to flock. Vada. What's vada?
Vadai.
Oh, vadai. Are you not waiting for me?
No.
And here I am with the usual idli and vada. And this is where we are having our food, breakfast. It's a really nice sweet spot. This is at the entrance to Mahabalipuram. It's called Adayar Ananda Bhavan, or locally known as A to B. Yeah, so for all the fellows who want to have good vegetarian food, breakfast, lunch and dinner, this is the place to come to. Yum soft idlis and lovely fritters, fried donuts.
Fried donuts.
If there could be a category like that.